Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, where we're on a journey to explore the fascinating world of web development. In today's lesson, we're diving into CSS text effects and typography. Typography is a crucial aspect of web design as it greatly impacts the readability and aesthetics of your website. In this lesson, we'll learn to enhance our text using various CSS properties and create some cool text effects. First, let's cover some basic CSS properties. So in our HTML, let's make sure that our style sheet is connected to our CSS file. And after the CSS is connected, in our body tag, let's create an H1 tag that says CSS text effects and a P tag that says enhance your typography with CSS. And now in our style.css, let's create some properties that'll affect the font. So in this case, in the P tag that I'm going to be editing, I'm going to do font family, Arial, and sans serif. And now when I hit Control Save, the text in my P tags will change to Arial sans serif. And I can also add font size. So if I want to do a font size of 16 pixels, or let's do 50 pixels, it'll increase my font size. The font weight property controls the boldness of your text. Common values include normal, bold, bolder, and numerical values like 400 or 700. So if I want to do bold or bolder, or 800, for example, it'll control how bold this is. So I'll leave this to bold for now. So the font style property is used to italicize your text. The most common values are normal and italic. So if I hit Control Save, this will become italicized. Now let's explore some cool text effects. You can add a text shadow by adding a text shadow in your CSS, and I'll do 2 pixels, 2 pixel, 4 pixel, and the RGBA of 0, 0, 0, and 0.5. So now when I hit Control Save, you're going to see this shadowy effect behind my CSS text effects because that's my H1 tag. And back to my P tag, I can even transform my text to an uppercase. So now all of my text in my P tags will be capitalized. You can also include letter spacing by using the letter spacing tab. And let's do 2 pixels. And now you're going to notice that the letters are spaced out. The line height property sets the height of the line of the text. So the line height property sets the height of a line of text, affecting the space between the lines. So let's say I made this 5.5, then you'll see the line between is increased to the size of 5. So it looks a lot bigger. So I'll change this back to 1.5. And that's a wrap for our CSS text effects and typography. By mastering these properties and effects, you can significantly improve the visual appeal and readability of your website. Experiment with different combinations to find the perfect style for your text. If you found the tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more web development content. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next lesson.